Yeah, I'm back with the video here of my Cascade Bonsai. It's a semi-Cascade. I just want to show you this wiring process I put on it. We'll just look at it from angles. This would be the front here. Let's do a 360 on it. Got the apex here. I'm gonna let this come out. I might wire this up too, but I was just wiring it up, showing you that semi-Cascade. This is the front here. How I got that natural 90 from potting it low in the pots. So this is my finished product. It's a working process. We let it stay wired up, develop my pads. Everything's looking pretty good here. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a couple more videos with Cascade bonsais because I have a variety of them. You know, it's not by design, but sometimes when you plant, you know, the plant comes out natural like that, it'll fall. And especially if I'm not wiring, because I'm not big on wiring, but I'm going to start wiring my bonsais again. Well, to just get into a traditional bonsai. That's why I said I'm just going to show y'all this Cascade here, semi-Cascade. And my next video, I'll come in and show you another Cascade I made. And this is some of my seedlings here. That's that super cuts right there. Those are super cuts. I'm going to show y'all how they develop when they catch, when I know they're caught. It's another little bonsai I got here I'm developing. I'm going to wire it up, show you that in another video. But here are my cuttings. That's that super cut. That one there, I made the video on that one. I'm going to show you how that one develops. But this is the clip table here, clipping table I have. And I have a new addition to the family. It's a Parsons Juniper. This one here, it kind of has that greenish blue tint to it. I'm going to start working with these after a while. Then I have a ficus here. That one there in the middle there, that's a ficus. And that's a jade right next to it over there with those big leaves. It's a jade bonsai. So I'm getting into different bonsais. I love junipers, but I'm going to start concentrating on other bonsais and have a wide range of bonsais. So I was just ending this video with my Cascade here. Like and subscribe to Carlos Hall YouTube channel. Y'all be blessed.